If you're looking for an off-the-beat path adventure, this video is for you. We are heading to the beautiful and underrated gem of Equatorial Guinea, a small but incredibly diverse country located on the west coast of Central Africa. From lush rainforests to pristine beaches, this country has it all. In this video, we explore the top 5 attractions to visit in Equatorial Guinea that you absolutely cannot miss. Let's dive right in. First on your list is Malabo, the capital city located on the Bioko Island. This city offers a unique blend of Spanish colonial heritage and a vibrant African culture. One of the must-visit landmarks is the Cathedral of Santa Isabel, a Gothic-style cathedral with towering spires and beautiful stained glass windows. If you love history, make sure to check out Casa Verde, a 19th century colonial house that now serves as a cultural center. And of course, no visit to Malabo is complete without experiencing the local life at Malabo Market. Here you can try street food and shop for souvenirs like handcrafted jewelry and fabrics. If you are a nature lover, Monte Alen National Park is an absolute dream. Located on the mainland, this protected area is home to some of Central Africa's most spectacular wildlife. Imagine walking through dense forests, spotting forest elephants, gorillas, and chimpanzees. For bird lovers, over 300 species of birds call this park home. And if you're feeling adventurous, you can hike to the beautiful Lake Atok, hidden deep within the park. The park offers guided tours and eco-lodges, so you can immerse yourself in nature while contributing to conservation efforts. Next on our list is the Ureca Village and the stunning beaches on Bioko Island. Ureca is one of the wettest places in the world, but do not let that stop you. This village offers something extraordinary. Between October and February, the beaches around Ureca become a sanctuary for sea turtles. Visitors can join night tours to witness these incredible creatures laying eggs in the sand. It's a magical and humbling experience, so definitely you can't miss this on your visit to the Ureca Village. During the day, you can relax on the Bioko Island's pristine beaches with black volcanic sand, surrounded by lush palm trees and tropical forests. I'm telling you, if you're a wildlife enthusiast, this is a must-visit destination. Have you ever dreamt of visiting a remote paradise? Well, look no further than the Annobón Island. This tiny island, located over 350 kilometers from the mainland, is known for its untouched landscape and breathtaking lagoons. The island offers some of the best fishing spots in the region. The clear turquoise waters are filled with a vibrant marine life. You can also hike up the Pico del Fogo, which is the island's volcanic peak, for incredible views of the ocean and the surrounding forests. Annobón Island is perfect if you are looking for peace and tranquility, far from the hustle and bustle of your everyday life. So definitely, this is one of the best places to visit on your trip to Equatorial Guinea. Now, last but not least is Bata, the largest city on the mainland. Bata offers a different vibe from Malabo, the capital, which is located on the Bioko Island. Now, with Bata, it's a more modern city with lively nightlife and a booming culinary scene. Walk along the seaside to catch the sunset or enjoy some freshly caught seafood at one of the many local restaurants. Bata also has several cultural centers and art galleries where you can learn about the traditions of the Fang people. Now, if you don't know about the Fang are the largest ethnic group in Equatorial Guinea. With these places mentioned, you definitely can't go wrong in Equatorial Guinea. The country might be small, but it's packed with stunning natural beauty, vibrant cities, and a rich culture. From the historical streets of Malabo to the pristine beaches of Bioko Island, there is something here for every traveler. Now, here's a quick tip that you need to keep in mind. If you're traveling to Equatorial Guinea, it's not like your typical tourist destinations. Just like it is in many other African countries, we would advise you carry some cash on you because ATMs are not everywhere. And always check for visa requirements before traveling to Equatorial Guinea. And remember to travel responsibly and respect the local culture and wildlife in Equatorial Guinea. I'm telling you, Equatorial Guinea is still a hidden gem, and it might stay this way for the future. Now, if you enjoyed this video, please like, subscribe, and also share it with someone that would love to learn about the African continent. Thank you for watching. For more African content, check out this next video.